net bag. It is only require basic crochet skill, so any level are welcome to follow. This bag also quite big. This is made to measure, so you can make it with any yarn you have and make the size bigger or smaller depending on your desire. To make this bag, I'm using 2mm braided polyester yarn, or you can use 2mm cotton macrame yarn. Basically, you can use any yarn you have, but since it is for bag, it would be better to use stronger yarn with size DK or more. 5.5mm crochet hook, or any recommended size if you use another yarn. You will also need tapestry needle, stitch marker, and also a lighter. It would be handy if you use the same kind of yarn as I am. Let's start by making the base. For the base, you need to chain multiple of 3 plus 2 more stitches to make increase in the first and the last stitch. I'm gonna make 18. Make slip knot, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, plus 2, 1, 2, plus 1 more as a turning chain. I'm gonna skip this and make 2 single crochet into the first stitch. Okay, turn your work and make 2 single crochet into the first stitch, then make 18 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Here I have 1 stitch left. Let's add 3 single crochet into the last stitch. 2, 3. So I hope this is the last stitch. Now make single crochet back loop only into the next stitch. So we're gonna make 2 single crochet into the first stitch, then 18 single crochet, then 3 single crochet into the last stitch. Then we're gonna make 18 more and add 1 more single crochet into the first stitch. So this is first 2, 3, 4. Here I'm done with my 18 single crochet, then add 1 more to the first stitch. From here we're gonna make slip stitch into the first single crochet, like so, then chain 1, then make increase into the first stitch, increase, mark the first single crochet to make it easier to find later, like so, then make another increase, 1, 2. From here we're gonna make 18 single crochet, 1 single crochet into every stitch, and I'm gonna meet you on the last on here. Here I'm done with my 18 single crochet. Now let's make increase 3 times. So 1 increase, 2 increase, and 3 increase. Then make 18 single crochet. Here I'm done with my 18 single crochet. Now I have 1 stitch left. Do not count this because this is the slip stitch. So let's make increase to the last stitch. Then marker and make single crochet. Let's make slip stitch into the first stitch. Like so, then chain 1. From here we're gonna make 1 single crochet into the first one. Then don't forget the marker and make increase into the second stitch. Let's repeat by making 1 single crochet and 1 increase, like so. Then make 18 single crochet. Here I'm done with my 18 single crochet. Okay, now let's make circle increase, which is 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Let's repeat that 2 more times. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and continue making 18 single crochet. Here I'm done with my 18 single crochet and I have 2 more stitches. Let's make 1 single crochet, 1 increase, then take up this marker and make slip stitch. Here I'm done with the base. If you're not happy with the base yet, you can add more row and make 3 increases into every corner with circle method, if that makes sense. Let's move on to make the body. From here we're gonna make single crochet, then put the marker and make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches and make single crochet into the next one and chain 3. Then skip 2 and make single crochet into the next one. Keep making this until the end of the row, and I'm gonna meet you here. Here I have 2 stitches left, so let's make 3 chain and skip these 2. Let's take off this first and make slip stitch into the first single crochet. So this is row 1. Let's move on to row 2. To begin row 2, let's make chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is count as double crochet plus 1 chain. So let's mark the 3rd chain. Then make single crochet into the chain 3 space. Here, single crochet. Now chain 1 and make double crochet into the single crochet. Chain 1 again and make single crochet into every chain 3 space. Chain 1 and make double crochet into every single crochet. Repeat this until the end of the row, and I'll meet you here. Here I'm in the end of the row. I have 1 single crochet and 1 chain 3 space. Let's make double crochet here, then chain 1, make single crochet, chain 1 again, and let's make slip stitch into the 3rd chain we marked earlier. So here, slip stitch. Now chain 1, and let's begin row 3. For row 3, we're gonna make single crochet. Mark this one and make 3 chain. We're gonna skip everything and make single crochet into double crochet space here. Single crochet. Now chain 3. Skip everything and make single crochet into double crochet stitch. Chain 3. Chain 3. Skip this and make single crochet here. Keep repeating this until the end of the row. So I'm in the end of the row. Let's make 3 more chain, then slip stitch into the first single crochet. This is how row 3 looks like. After a couple of rows, this kind of shape would be visible. It is like diamond or ketupat maybe. Keep repeating row 2 and 3 until you get the size that you want. This is how it should look like after a couple of rows. Here I have, let's just count by the diamond shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make sure to end with single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, and let's close this. After you feel happy with the size, so from here we're gonna make chain 1 and make single crochet into the first single crochet here, like so. And then from here we're gonna make 2 single crochet into the chain 3 space, 2, then make 1 to the single crochet and 2 to the chain 3 space. Repeat this until the end of the row. Now I'm in the end of the row. Let's take off this, make slip stitch, then chain 1 to secure. From here you can cut your yarn. This is how the back looks like. Now let's move on to make the strap. To make the strap, decide where the strap you want to start it. So maybe over here. Attach the yarn. So then make chain 3. Then make single crochet into the next stitch. From here we're gonna make chain 3, turn your work, and make single crochet into the chain 3 space. Then chain 3. Turn your bird and make single crochet into the chain 3 space. Chain 3, turn your bird and make single crochet into the chain 3 space. Chain 3 again. Keep repeating this until you get the length that you want. Here I'm done with the strap. It is about 50 centimeter, and let's attach it here. So this is the second hole. So here, make sure it is not twisted. So okay. Yes, I do the first single crochet here and make slip stitch to the chain 3 space here, slip stitch, and chain 1, then you can cut your yarn. So like this, you can make another one for the other side. And you're done! You just complete making a perfect summer bag. If you like this video, please consider to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what kind of tutorial or project you'd love to see next.